Hey, how's it going, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are actually going up to Carver's Gap. This is going to be my first time going to Carver's Gap, and based on the pictures we've seen, it actually looks really good. Where we're going exactly, it's once we get to Carver's Gap, it's going to be about 2.5 mile walk up to the mountaintop, where it's actually bald, where there's not that much trees, so it looks like a prairie. So once we're done with that trail, it's just a round trip, so we're just gonna head straight down the mountain again. It's estimated to be about 5 hours worth walking. Let's just go ahead and get this trip started. All right, so we finally arrived to Carver's Gap. It took about a 2.5 hour drive here. We're about to get ready for the hike, but as you can see here, I'm not with my typical Forester. I am with this 2021 Toyota Tacoma. This is not my vehicle, but we are just borrowing it for this trip because we needed the extra space. We didn't pack too heavy for this trip because it's just a 2-3 mile hike. All that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the shoes on, get warmed up, and then we're gonna see what we can do. I had a dream that I can't forget. Blurry and your lips were red. A perfect start into a perfect end. Wish we never left, never left. All I wanna do is live in slow motion, making circles with you. You can be the moon and I can be the ocean. Baby, pull me back to you. We go round. Alright everyone, so we are now at the top of the first peak. I believe the official name is Round Bald. Next, we're going to continue onto this hill, which is known as James Bald. It doesn't look too bad, so let's go ahead and continue forward. So let's go ahead and take a look at this view and just, oh wow, this view really is just so beautiful. So a quick update, we are now on James Bald. We started all the way back there and slowly made our way up. We've got one more peak, so let's go ahead and continue. Arms open wide with a life to call our own. And we are almost there. You can see here, I believe we're pretty much on Grassy at the moment, Grassy Ridge. You can see here, you can tell because it's just really grassy. What's next is, if you look closely over there, there's actually some rocks over there that we're gonna probably try to hit. So once we hit that spot, if there's nothing else, we'll probably hit back down, but we are pretty close to being done with this. So see you guys in a sec. Let me go and show you guys how we're looking right here. So we started, if you guys can see, it might be pretty hard, I might have to zoom in for the video, but we started all the way over there. It's right there, came all the way down, second hill, and then another one. So that's a third hill, last hill over here. And that was pretty much the journey. And fun fact is, now Mount Mitchell's over there, Table Rock is over there, and then Grand Frog Mountain's over there. Again, this is my first time here, so it's definitely just really beautiful. But that pretty much concludes this trip up here. We're just gonna head back down. It's probably gonna be about an hour or two hike down, probably two. Once we're done with that, we're just gonna drive back home and call it a day.
I am writing down everything I see, tracing my steps back till I'm wild and free, and I'll chase until it's in